Hi guys, it's Dave from Car Crackers here again. Just thought I'd do another episode of the perfect car to drive today. So as you can see over my shoulder, it's a little bit on the old overcast side. So today, I don't think it's going to be a convertible or a track car. Instead, I think today we want to still be able to push. It hasn't actually rained. It's overcast, but it hasn't actually rained. So we've got a car, hard top. It's got to be something, again, like I say, you can really push, fly through the gears, either manual or paddle shift, which that might give you a bit of an idea. I think probably what you'd want today is a really good all-rounder. So an all-round supercar, which now some of you are probably guessing what it is. I would say with a glorious, oh god, the noise. I think probably most of you have heard one, but if you haven't, you've got to hear it in real life. A glorious V10 Audi engine. So yeah, that's slightly giving it away. So I think you know already, the perfect car to drive today is the Audi R8 V10. And depending on what you want, either the V10 manual or the V10 Plus. Excellent. Cheers guys, hope you enjoy the video there. Please subscribe for more, thank you.